Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at Walmart for the week. Normally I've been doing Target and Walmart, but in all honesty, the Target deals were pretty much the same as they were last week. So if you're curious what's on sale, pop on over to my video from last week and you'll see the deals that I got. I decided just to focus on Walmart deals in this video today. And if you can believe it, I got all of this for less than $10. So of course, I'm gonna walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. Let's start with the food deals first. I know you guys love food deals. I'm also gonna tell you the dinners that I'm cooking for this week. So I started doing that maybe a month ago now. I put it on my website and I will share the recipes there, but then I just briefly talk about them in my Walmart video because I try to incorporate the items that we get from shopping and couponing into the meals that I'm making for the week as best as I can. Sometimes a lot of the items that I get with Ibotta, I end up donating to the food bank, so we don't necessarily use all of the items that you see in these videos. Okay, so last week I picked up the Quaker Oatmeal. I did it again this week. These are $1.24. There is a 65-cent rebate on Ibotta that makes this just 59 cents. But I also picked up the Quaker Instant Oatmeal. These are priced at $3.23. There's an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 back, but then I got a 50-cent bonus for buying 2 products. So that made my final cost $1.23 for this box, which is cheaper than the Walmart brand of the similar item. Now, I had a $5 midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta. So I did quite a few Ibotta rebates, as you'll see in this video, and I did hit that $5, so I got an additional $5 from doing my shopping today. Now, I saw these Ocean Spray immunity drinks, and I've been wondering if they were any good. I haven't tried them, but with the Ibotta offer, they were 50% off. So these are $4.98. There was an Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back, making it $2.48 for that 6-pack. Now, if I'm talking and you have no idea what Ibotta is, it is a free app that gives you rebates or cash back for buying certain products. If you're brand new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt, and oftentimes there are freebies in the app. For instance, this Gatorade Fit was a freebie last week. It's $1.28. You got $1.28 for buying it. Now, my app reset at a 50% rebate. So I bought it again, $1.28. I got 64 cents back, making my final cost just 64 cents for this Gatorade. Now, I always submit my receipt, even if it's just an Ibotta offer, I still submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards because I get some points back on Fetch Rewards for submitting any receipt, and then they have additional offers on Fetch Rewards as well. Now, I also picked up this Sargento cheese because we needed cheese, and so we made grilled cheese the other day, and my son was like, what's wrong with this cheese? The only cheese I had left were those Kraft singles that I had gotten with a Target deal a while back. That's not a product that we eat, so I thought, well, shoot, I don't have time to run to the grocery store. I'll just make it with that Kraft singles, and maybe he won't notice. And so he took a bite. He's like, what's wrong with this cheese? So apparently my son is fancy when it comes to his cheese. So I bought the Sargento cheese at $3.38. There's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. It's only on the creamy variety, making it $2.63 for this pack of cheese. I know I could get cheese cheaper, but we like that kind, so that is what I purchased. Plus, it got me closer to an Ibotta bonus. Also picked up the tea at $1.18. There is a 30-cent rebate for me on Ibotta. It was higher in the past, but I think I had already done the higher rebate, and then it reset at a lower amount. So I paid 88 cents for this brisk tea, but this was the tea with lemonade. Definitely scan it because not all of them were qualifying for the Ibotta rebate. Now, I noticed that there was a rebate for Ken's in the Ibotta app, but when I was on the salad dressing aisle, there were like hang tags on the product. So this was $2.98. There was a $1 hang tag on here, making it $1.98. Then I submitted for the Ibotta rebate at 65 cents, making it just $1.33 for this salad dressing. Now, no idea how you pronounce this. Alouette. It's the garlic and herbs spreadable cheese. This is priced at $4.17, and I found this in the deli section, like kind of to the left of our deli. They have different cheeses and hummus and that kind of thing. $4.17, but the Shopkick app had a rebate when you scan it and purchase it. You're going to get $3.26 back, making it just 91 cents for the spreadable cheese. Now, go down the soup aisle because there were tons of soups marked on clearance. Even like the ramen noodles that are already super cheap, those were even marked down cheaper, like 25 cents for a pack of ramen, or those, I can't think of the brand, yakisoba, like you add water. I've never had it, but it was like 50% off. So definitely check the soup aisle. Makes for great donation items around the holidays. If those aren't products that you typically purchase, you might consider snagging them up and donating them to your local food bank. This soup here was marked on clearance for $1.75, but I noticed it was a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1. I've never really done soup from a jar or soup from a can, so I have no idea. Is it Raoul's made for home slow simmered soup? No idea if it's any good. Let me know if you've tried it. I don't know if I'll donate that or if I'll cook it up and see if anyone likes it. Was that all the food? I think that was all the food. Let's talk about some non-food items. The Tylenol. $4.34. Get $2 back on Ibotta. Get $2 back on the coupons.com app, making it just 34 cents. The Suavitel, the dryer sheets, these are $2.97. There's a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, but there's also a rebate on Shopkick for $1.64 back, making your final cost 83 cents. What I learned from purchasing these is I will never purchase them again because I cannot stand how they smell. Like, I can smell them right now through the box and it's driving me nuts. It's way too strong. I do not like it. It's kind of like that Fabuloso. I don't like how that smells either because it's just so strong. So I won't buy these again. These will be a donation item because I just want to get them out of the house. I don't want to smell that anymore. Now, I do, however, love this product, the Finish Powerball or the Finish Quantum. These are $3.34. There was a $1.50 rebate on coupons.com and a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making my final cost just 59 cents. Now, 2 Shopkick offers that I did that haven't processed yet are the Vaseline lotions. I'll let you guys know when it processes, but there was a rebate for 1,000 kicks back, which is $4 because 250 kicks is $1. So that makes 1,000 kicks $4. These are only $3.98. So $3.98 for each of these, getting 1,000 kicks back or $4 back on each of them. Both of them for free. Again, I'll let you know when those process. Now, dinners for this week. So Monday night was crazy. This weekend was just crazy. It was so busy. So I needed something super simple on Monday night. So I made those Simulate nuggets that I got from Target for free. I made the Knorr rice sides that I had gotten with Shopkick last week or the week before at Walmart. And then I roasted up some asparagus. In all honesty, okay, so that's what my son ate. But being really honest, I didn't eat that. I had rice and the asparagus with some avocado and beans. I don't do the Knorr rice sides and I don't do the Simulate nugs. That's just not like a dinner for me. So I did more veggie-based stuff for me. Tonight I'm doing ground turkey with potatoes and peas, and that's a great recipe that I've made before. Then I'm going to do a curry bonanza recipe, tons of veggies in like a coconut curry sauce. Super good recipe, especially if you like veggies. A lot of my recipes are veggie based and not meat based. Then what was the other two are two I have not made before. There's a vegetable orzo that I'm excited because it has Brussels sprouts, and I love Brussels sprouts. I also really like orzo. I think that's really good. What is the other one? Let me check really quick. So the last recipe that I'm doing this week is using those tortilla land tortillas that we got last week from Shopkick. Someone mentioned, hey, you should use those for quesadillas. They're really good. So I'm going to try that out, but I found a vegan quesadilla recipe. It's made with beans and sweet potatoes. So I'm excited to try out a couple new recipes. Last week I did a copycat harvest bowl recipe. It's a copycat from Sweet Green, one of my favorite like quick service restaurants in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. And it was so good. So good. So I'm enjoying finding new recipes that I like. So I'm trying to incorporate meals that I've made before and then new recipes. I'm sharing all of those on my website, savingwithchristina.com, and I'm trying to go back in after the week is over and do like a quick update of how I altered the recipe or what I thought about the recipe, so definitely check that out. When you're on the website, you'll see a place where you can sign up for one of my weekly emails. I send one email a week that recaps the week from a personal standpoint, as well as some of the best deals going on. So if you want to get that weekly email, pop on over to my website, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see like a little box where you can put your email and sign up for the email list. Questions on any of this, let me know down in the comments below, and I hope you guys are having a great start to your week. Thanks.